on the next evening at Pop. The timeless hits of country and pop star Anne Murray.
Held my hand when it was cold. Shadows in the moonlight. Darling, I'll meet you at midnight.
That's Anne Murray on the next evening at Pop.
Enjoy Anne Murray's performance July 22nd at 8.
Next on Mystery. In the dark streets of Chinatown, Poirot has an appointment with murder.
Something's gone wrong, Mr. Poirot. I know. Something's gone wrong.
I suspect some kind of Chinese ritual killing. Let's just say we're in treacherous waters here, Poirot.
The Lost Mine on Mystery.
Let us see what we can catch, huh?
Tune in Friday night at 10.
Next on St. Elsewhere.
I'm talking about Dr. Weiler, great white doctor of darkest Africa, coming here to St. Allegiance.
Let's not forget George Weiler's bringing a teenage boy here with pale kidneys.
I am called...
Don't miss Twins Day in Twinsburg, Ohio, Tuesday, July 24th at 10. News, information, the arts. We bring you the best. For channels 45 and 49, WNEO Alliance and WEAO Akron.